What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. In today's video, we're gonna be taking your G80 M3 from looking and sounding like this to this. Let's get into it. Why BMW designed a big grille on the G80 M3 and G82 M4 but decided to not take advantage of it is a mystery. However, with the BMS front mount intake, we'll correct that very mistake. This kit even comes in blue or red, which we went with the latter to match this car's theme. Since this intake is relocating the filter location, it's necessary to remove the bumper in order to properly reroute the tubing, and easily remove the original components, which will reuse the retaining clips. But don't worry, because as soon as the installation is complete, you'll be met with a seamless finish, especially since we took care during the installation in order to maintain that gloss black powder coat finish. Some cutting of the radiator shroud is also needed if we are to bring the filters directly behind the grills. You'll also notice the streamlined design of the BMS intake compared to the OEM setup, with all of its baffles. This will create a more straight line path of airflow and delivers an intoxicating sound note. This will give more air to the system, delivering up to 17 additional horsepower. And by providing more air to the turbo, the system does not need to work as hard, thereby extending its longevity. Made from CNC billet aluminum, this 3.5-inch tubing will take the air from the reusable high flow filters and deliver it right to the turbos. The design also allows for better indirect airflow in the very crowded engine bay, allowing for better heat dissipation. Then, once everything is properly lined up, we can snug it down, which will appear as if nothing was ever cut. Just take your time and ensure the filters are even before bringing in the bumper and tightening it down along with our final pieces. It's at this point we truly see the benefit and aesthetic appeal of this big front end grille, making you take another look back at this beautiful machine, knowing that the only thing better than its looks will be the sound when you fire up your G80 M3 to hear the induction noise as the air passes through the high performance filters of the Berger Motorsports front mount intake.
Now this G80 M3 has the improved look, sound, and performance of the BMS Intake. By moving the air filters down directly behind the grills, we're able to grab the most and coldest air possible, where it will then move that air through the aluminum intake pipes, down into the two turbos, where it will deliver up to 17 additional horsepower. And if you want to pick up this intake system for yourself, it's going to be down in the description links. And leave any questions that you have for us in the comment section. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see all of you in the next one.